In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mirror glass on this Ford F-150. We're working on the driver's side, but the process applies to the passenger side. Let's get started. For this procedure, I highly recommend some gloves, eye protection, and a plastic trim tool because this is glass, and if you pry it too hard, it can shatter, so you definitely want to stay safe. Having said that, the only way to get this off of here is to pry it off. Sometimes you can do it by hand, by just pulling it out like that, or you might need a trim tool. Also, if you want, you can cover this with tape, but that's optional. Usually the tape will prevent it from getting glass everywhere if it does shatter, but it still most likely will create some debris. There are several clips all around that are going to be hard to see. I'll show you once this pops off, but basically it just has to get pried off. There we go. It does take quite a bit of force, so be prepared for that. The connectors over here are for the heating pad on the mirror. Unplug them. And on this particular model, it does have the auto dimming function, so you're going to want to unplug that as well. The new mirror will come with two clips that need to be secured in the same position as where the old one had them. So let's just slide them in over here. One on the side and one at the top of the mirror right here. Make sure they're seated all the way. Just like this. And now we can install the mirror. Let's reconnect the heating pad for the mirror. Make sure these connectors are free of any corrosion. Mine look pretty good, so I'm going to connect them right back up here. The green wire goes on the right side, the black wire goes on the left side. And if your mirror has the option for the auto dimming feature, you would reconnect that. Unfortunately, this particular one does not, so I'm just going to clip the connector in here so that it can stay secured. There we go. And now, you're just going to want to center this up and press it on. It should click into place. Be careful where you press. You want to press on the center. Okay, there we go. You give it a couple taps. Be very gentle. You don't want to damage the new mirror. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.